Welcome to the OSA Connect app tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how to use and navigate the Firm Contracts page. Let's dive in. Starting from the Quick Updates page, head over to the Contracts page by clicking the tab on the left side of your screen labeled Contracts. On this page, you'll see a table listing all of your firm's agency contracts. This table includes key details like the agency number, agency name, fiscal year, contract status, and firm contact. It's designed to help you manage contracts efficiently, and there are a few handy features that make it even easier. First up, column sorting. To sort the table, just click on any column header, like the agency number, agency name, fiscal year, contract status, or firm contact. Let's say you want to group contracts that need to be signed. Click the Status column header. Now all contracts with the status Action Needed Signed Contract are grouped together at the top, making it easy to take care of all of them at once. Next, we have the search bar. If you're looking for a specific contract, type a keyword to narrow down the results. For example, to view only contracts for 2025, type 2025 in the search bar. Now, the table shows only contracts from that year. You can also control how many rows are displayed at once. Just click the Entries drop-down menu and choose the number of rows you'd like to see. Now that you're familiar with how to view and organize your contracts, let's take a look at what each contract status means. Here's a quick breakdown of the different contract statuses you might see. If a contract shows Action Needed Signed Contract, it means your firm still needs to sign the contract. Be sure to review and sign it as soon as possible. If the status is Awaiting all signatures, the contract is waiting on signatures from the agency or other required signers. If the status is Executed, the contract has been signed by all parties and is officially complete. Now let's dive into the different actions you can take on your contracts. Each contract row includes an action column which shows different options depending on the contract status. If the contract is executed, you'll see a contract link. Clicking this lets you download the fully signed version of the contract. If the contract is either Awaiting all signatures or Action Needed Signed Contract, you'll see a View link. This allows you to open and review the draft version of the contract. If the contract is in Action Needed Signed Contract status, you'll also see an e-sign link. Clicking this will open a new browser tab where you can review and sign the contract electronically. And that's it for this walkthrough of the OSA Connect Firm Contracts page. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out to our OSA team for support. Thank you for watching.